Hi guys, welcome back to Btech360. So the most important event for an engineering student right now is the CSAB Counselling, and it's very important for you to know based on your rank which is the college that you should target and which are the different branches that you should target. So in today's video specifically we are going to look at the different NITs. So we are going to discuss the civil and mechanical engineering highest closing ranks specifically for NITs, and we are going to do a category wise analysis. That means irrespective of what category you belong to, अगर आप जनरल कैटेगरी से बिलोंग करते हो, OBC, SC, ST, हर एक कैटेगरी में मैक्सिमम आपकी कितनी रैंक हो सकती है to get into civil or mechanical branch, that too at an NIT. So we are specifically looking only at the NITs. So if you are a student who is targeting civil or mechanical branch, then by the end of this video you'll have a clear idea based on your category which is the best NIT that you should target. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Also, this information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities and ranked among the top 3% globally. Before moving ahead, make sure you like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Now, in addition to this, we also have a dedicated helpline number for all the students who are currently struggling in any stage of the counseling. So if you are among them, then all you need to do is text BTech on this number 813-037-6334. We'll make sure that someone from our team reaches out and helps you out. So let's start with the basic seat matrix. So for current year in CSAB Counselling, total 15,423 seats are vacant, and out of these NITs have 4,850, IIITs have 3,628 and GFTIs have 6,945. So what we are going to do is we are going to break down these seats. 4,850 are the total NIT seats available. Now in that also, if you look at demographic wise, then for outside state students, total 2,481 seats are allowed. These are out of the 4,850 seats. Out of that, 2,481 is for the outside state students. For home state students, 2,211 seats are vacant. For Goa residents, 21. For Jammu and Kashmir residents, 128. And for Ladakh residents, 9 seats are vacant. Now, based on which category you fall into, you can have a look how many vacant seats are available, and then you can also do a gender-wise analysis of this. Now, let's move to the main topic. Now, if you are targeting civil engineering in an NIT, then what is the category-wise highest closing rank for different categories? So let's start with the first one. Now, for example, if you belong to the open category and you are targeting civil engineering in a NIT, then according to last year's data, the last student who could get a civil engineering in an NIT, that was at a rank of 7,62,000 at NIT Sikkim for Btech Civil Engineering. And do remember, all these are the home state ranks. Now we would do the similar thing for outside home state also. So for all the different NITs, we would be doing both the home state and outside home state. So currently we are looking at home state category. So for home state, the highest closing rank in case of open category was 7,62,000. Now let's do the similar analysis for all the other categories. For EWS, it was 5,12,000 in NIT Agartala's Btech Civil Engineering. Do remember, all of these are home state category ranks and for gender neutral candidates. Then for OBC-NCL, it was 7,521 in NIT Manipur's Btech Civil Engineering. For SC category, it was 8,91,000 previously for NIT Arunachal Pradesh Btech Civil Engineering. And the last category is ST category, and last year the highest closing rank in ST category was 13,41,000 for NIT Kurukshetra Btech Civil Engineering. So these were the category-wise highest closing ranks for civil engineering for home state quota, and all these ranks are based on last year's, that is JMA 2025's CSAB Counselling highest closing ranks. Now let's do a similar analysis for outside home state. So we are just looking at civil engineering similarly in NITs, but this time for outside home state category. Now here also we are going to do this category wise. So for open, last year the highest closing rank in CSAB Counselling based on JEE Main was 1,11,000 for NIT Nagaland's Btech Civil Engineering. For EWS category, it was 1,22,000 for NIT Nagaland Btech Civil Engineering. Then OBC-NCL category, 1,18,000 for NIT Mizoram Btech Civil Engineering. Then for SC category, 2,54,000 for NIT Nagaland's Btech Civil Engineering. And the last category is ST category for 3,74,000 for NIT Mizoram Btech Civil Engineering. So these were the category-wise highest closing ranks for civil engineering in NITs. So we have looked both at home state quota and outside home state quota. Now, this was for civil engineering. Let's do a similar analysis for mechanical engineering. So, if you are a student who is targeting mechanical engineering in NITs, then let's take a look what is the highest closing rank for your specific category. So, first here also we are going to do an analysis of the home state. So, if you have the home state category, then in that case, if you belong to the open category, the highest closing rank for open category or the highest rank at which a candidate got mechanical engineering last year was 12,12,000 for NIT Manipur's Btech Mechanical Engineering. Then in EWS last year, a candidate got NIT Tiruchirappalli's Btech Production Engineering at 5,51,000. Then in OBC-NCL category, someone got NIT Sikkim's Btech Mechanical Engineering at 11,52,000. Then for SC category, in SC category, a candidate got NIT Agartala's Btech Production Engineering at 7,81,000. And the last category, if you belong to the ST category, then previously in 2025, someone got mechanical engineering in NIT Agartala at 13,62,000. So these were the category specific highest closing rank for mechanical engineering if you have a home state quota. Now, if you are an outside home state category candidate, then in that case, what is the rank? How does it change? So for open category, last year someone got Btech Mechanical Engineering at NIT Nagaland at 1,03,000 rank. Then in EWS category, someone got Btech Mechanical Engineering at NIT Nagaland at 1,14,000. Then in OBC-NCL category, someone got Btech Mechanical Engineering at NIT Mizoram in 1,13,000. Then in SC category, someone got Btech Mechanical Engineering at NIT Mizoram again at 2,37,000. And in ST category, they got Btech Mechanical Engineering in NIT Arunachal Pradesh this time at 4,13,000. So these were the category specific highest closing rank for mechanical engineering branch in NITs, and this time we discussed it for outside home state. So these were the cutoff analysis in NITs both for civil engineering and mechanical engineering, and we have looked at outside home state as well as home state. Now based on whether you have the outside home state category or home state category, and then based on your category, now you know the maximum rank that is possible. So all of these were the highest closing rank. Agar aapki rank in particular given rank se kam hai, then definitely you have a chance in getting a seat in CSAB counseling. So that was all for today. If you need a similar analysis of different branches, we have done this for CSA, we will be doing this for more branches. Make sure whichever branch it is that you want a data, you mention that in the comment section. That was all for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.